Hi there, it's ASMR Noir, and today's video is another unboxing video. Yes, and I know what this is because it says so on the box, and you know what it is because it's in the description. So it's a Princess Leia toy figurine. And this one is from the United States, Trenton, United States, and nothing much else to say, except that of course we have to open it up with some kind of finger. Oh, I hope my nail will. No, it's not sharp enough. Alright, here we go. Some kind of screwdriver. The best with opening packages that you know what it contains is that you're not afraid to break it because you know how deep you can cut. So, save this note. Why would I want to save this note? Well, order problems. Sorry. Returns. Did you get the wrong item? Let's put that aside in case it's a huge golden dildo instead of a Leia figurine. It isn't a dildo. I don't know why I keep... It's not that I have a urge to buy a dildo, but it sounds fun, I guess. So, the back side has a lot of classic Star Wars figures. We have Leia, Stormtrooper, Chewbacca, Greedo, Princess Leia, Han Solo, Yoda, och Darth Vader. And Darth Vader. Och, talking Swedish here all of a sudden. So, let's get her out of the box. I think she has been eating in the box because she's fat. She can't come out of the box now, can she? What have they been feeding you on your little tree? Cookies? Oh, there we go. Plain cardboard. Let's not waste any more time on that, shall we? So yes, here we have a Princess Leia with her bun hairdo. Now the box is not specially, it's a pretty plain Funkopop box. Says stuff on the underneath, stuff no one ever reads, but I guess it has to be there. Choking hazard. I'm not going to eat it. I think I should have to be very hungry to try and eat this. Okay. This one smelled special. It smells a little bit like leather. Not in a bad way, you know. Like a fresh shoe, maybe. Okay. And we have a card with nothing on it except some, I don't know, maybe like hit warp speed, Mr. Zulu. I am a Trekkie too. And yes, I know Mr. Zulu is from Star Trek. Alright. Oh, we have another card. Twice the fun today. And it's the same card I got in my Ray box. It's this Smuggler's Bounty join thingamoy. And I actually haven't checked this one out since I got the last card. I will though. Now, Skywalker. I'm here to save you. And out she goes. Yes, she's got Parkinson's, but it was a long journey. And I'm not making fun of Parkinson's because I have a relative who has it. It's a terrible disease. Okay, can you please hold your head still for us so we can see you? Okay, this is the Leia. Must have been the cardboard that smell. The Leia, shall we say original Leia, 1977. Please don't kill me if I got it wrong here. Okay. Well, this one also stands on a, see, plate, and she and Rey have been the only ones who have came with such a plate, so I guess it could be some kind of Star Wars thing. And she has a bobblehead. Did you know that Princess Leia's last name was Tick? No, it's not. Just kidding. I have tics, so don't bash me because you have to make fun of everything unless you want to, you know. I don't know. If you can't make fun of it, then it will beat you down, you know. Well, that's another discussion. So yeah, she has a little ray gun. I thought it was Han Solo who had a ray gun. How else did they conceive Rey? No, that was Luke. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Rey is probably Luke's daughter. Has nothing to do with Leia, except Leia is the aunt. Okay. Yeah. So, another one for my Funkopop collection. I love this one. I love the details on her belt. I don't know if you can see that. My camera isn't the best when it comes to details. But and the penis-shaped object up in her head is what keeps her bobbing. Okay, enough with the sexual puns. Yeah, so this is the Princess Leia Funkopop. And as usual, for the love of crinkles, we are going to put her back in the box, okay? Forget about them. Didn't we have another one? The one with the light speed? Yeah, that's it. I think that's supposed to be on the outside. Something wrong. No, it isn't. It's just me that has to push it all the way down. I have screwed up. What happened? Okay, let's do this again. For the love of crinkles. tough nut. It's just because I say every time how easy it is to get them back in their boxes. Funkopop heard that and now they have made it hard. I will not surrender. I will not give up. There we go. No! Something is definitely wrong. Look at that little Star Wars plate. For the love of crinkles, what is this? What trickery is this? Okay, let's do it one more time, shall we? So, she's in the... Oh, wait. Okay, she's in the plastic box, right? You can see her almost like carbonite. Right? Right? So... Now it worked, like charm. Silly me. Just playing with you all the time, of course, I knew how to do this. Why? There we go. That didn't take any time at all. And she's back in her box. Yeah. So, thank you guys for joining me in this little chaotic unboxing, or should I say inboxing. I love my Princess Leia Funkopop, and if you like pops, that should be a great pop to buy, because it's both classic and it is something to work with, you know. Trying to get her out and in on the box, you know, you can do that. Okay, well, I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, you might notice that there are flying little or hovering little things around here somewhere, which you can press to subscribe or click on another video. The wonders of technique. Okay, see you later, guys. I love you, and remember,